Within Schoology, you are able to create discussions. Using discussions allows your students to interact with each other. They can comment to each other's responses within the discussion. The comments can also be moderated by the teacher, and you can have it set up so that you approve each post before it's actually published to the discussion board. You're also able to delete posts within the discussions as well. So I'll go to my drop-down menu and find Add Discussion. The pop-up window will appear. Just like your assignments, when you add assignments, it's very similar. You can create your title. You can add a description. You can create a due date, so this will allow it to expire at one point, and it will show up on the student's calendar if you add a due date. You can choose to enable grading. If you would like to grade these discussions, you would want to choose that selection there. We have our advanced options, which allows you to individually assign the discussions to members within your course. You can align it to your learning objectives. You can lock it, preventing students from making additional submissions after the due date. This allows it to be visible to students. This allows members to see other responses before participating, or it requires members to post before revealing other responses. You can share your discussion, and you can copy this discussion to other courses. If you are going to copy this discussion to other courses, you are not allowed to if you have the grading enabled within your discussion. So depending on how you have that set up will determine if you are able to copy it to other courses. So we can see my example discussion that I just created. As always, you're able to come over here to the gear and click Edit, or you can click on it and see the discussion profile. You can see right now that nobody has made any posts. You can also choose to move this into a folder after it's created. If you decide that you'd rather have that within a folder, you can just drag and drop it inside the folder. You have to move it. So if I want to put this in my example folder, there we go.